Okay, so subtitles are really important on social media video because it means people can listen, well, watch your videos without having to listen to them, put the volume up. So I'm going to show you how I've done that in KineMaster. So first of all, I go into the editing app KineMaster and I split, as you can see, go to trim split and split the sections of this piece to camera into equal sized chunks. So I'm just going along and pressing that trim split button. And then when I go back, I can go to layer, text layer, which I'm doing now, and then press that voice dictation. So I just say what I've heard and it goes straight in. It's very, very quick indeed. And it's even picked up pencoid surgery there. So I am transcribing this as I speak. I'm not having to type in all of the words. I'm able to do voice dictation. So then I move on and create another layer and then go all the way through the video. It's quite straightforward indeed.